Aeronautics. Pilots study aeronautics. Aero means air, and nautics means sailing. Aeronautics is the science dealing with airplanes. In Britain, airplanes are sometimes called aeroplanes. Catastrophe. The flood was a catastrophe. Any disaster can be called a catastrophe. The 9/11 terrorist attack was a catastrophe. When a project goes terribly wrong, that can also be a catastrophe. Defy. Defy gravity. If you refuse to do what your parents want, you are openly defying them. Humans have learned to defy the forces of gravity with the invention of airplanes. Some magicians seem to defy gravity by seemingly floating in midair. Eminent. Eminent doctor. An eminent person is very well known for doing great work. Often scientists and other professionals are described as being eminent. Do not confuse with imminent that begins with I am, which describes something that is about to happen very soon. Gracious. Gracious host. A gracious person shows grace and generosity to others. A host who is very accommodating to his guests can be called a gracious host. Inherit. Inherit a fortune. When a rich person dies, he leaves his possessions to his family and relatives. Those people inherit the money and possessions of the dead relative. Modify. Modify the program. To modify is to make changes. Your computer keeps track of the dates when the files are last modified, which you can see in the File Explorer. In grammar, adjectives and adverbs are words that modify other words. Planetarium. Stars in the planetarium. When you visit a planetarium, you can recline back in your seat and look up at the dome that shows the stars. Respiration. Artificial respiration. Respiration is the process of breathing. In biology, it can refer to the breathing of animals, plants, and even the cells. When someone has stopped breathing, artificial respiration can be given through mouth-to-mouth method or by using a machine. Technology. Computer technology. Technology is the scientific advancements that make new things possible. Advances in computer technology are allowing many electronics to become smaller and smaller.